Hi guys, it's Kelly Latevola here, and I am back with day 5, the final day of the Honey Bee Sneak Peeks. Awesome stuff coming out. So save the birthday stuff for last. This is the balloon bunch dies. So they are two different styles of balloons with like the little curlicues and little bows. Those are so super cute. We have some new sentiments and dies. This is the Wish stamp and die set. Really like some of the ones that have in here because they're not just for birthdays. There's, like wishing you feel better or wishing you happiness. Hope all your wishes come true. Wish upon a star. All those are like you could use those for multiple things. This birthday set, I think my favorite one, it was a toss-up. The favorite one is either Fan Frickin' Tastic or Let's Tie One On. Like, I love those sentiments. And then, like, the scripty birthday, the die matches those as well, has the, the more intricate die, the shadow piece, and then the third piece that has the detail stitching and things on it. This one is called Awesome Sauce, and it's it's just fun. So like, thank you for existing. I miss your freaking face. We must be related. Like, just there's a ton of really like fun, good ones for sending to. I'll probably like send them to my sisters or my crafty girlfriends, honestly. So really, it's got rad in it, guys. Like, I know I'm dating myself, but it's got the word rad, and I love that. So moving on to some of the new dies, this is the triangle double stitched die. We have a new stencil as well, the diamond patterns. There's a lot of geometric patterns in this little sneak peek, which, well, as I told you previously in the week, if you watched those videos, I'm a big fan of. So there is a large diamond background here, and then these come together in this set. The diamond pattern stencils, and then there's a smaller one. I could totally see like making this into a trellis, putting little flowers on it, using it in a background of a scene. So just a lot of fun ideas for this particular stencil. Speaking of diamonds, there's more of that to come. So there is the this is the double stitched diamond dies, and these are, again, just like we talked about the ones yesterday. They cut a stitched edge on the negative and the positive. This is the diamond pattern. No, wait, diamond patterns stamp and die set. So these coordinate with each other. There's a bunch of different solids, patterns, outlines, different outlines. So those would be fun for building backgrounds. And then this is the hexagon patterns. So same thing, the little polka dots, and there's like one with a floral in it, a stripe. I like how they have the little halves so that you can build them. And then these dies coordinate with those shapes as well. See, there's just the birthday release is just amazing. So much good stuff coming out. This is the Mandala die here, and then the stencil as well. And then you can see the inside is cut out. So you can either use it with it or without it so that it's a full piece. A lot of these like script fonts, I can totally see like putting those over the center, and that would absolutely be enough to carry a card. Here, my son got into these, so I already have adhesive on the back of it because he wanted to play with it. So my apologies. It's got a little bit of a blue tinge. He used a Blueprint Sketch Distress Oxide. But so that's that. And then I know I told you earlier in the week that I had all of the products and you wouldn't have to look at a weird video shot, but it turns out that the lie detector determined that was a lie, because here we are. There is a new stamp set that also has the mandala look to it. This is the Here For You set. I don't have it, but that is something that we are releasing, and I love the sentiments in it. This is so fun, and this is something that is brand new for us. Paper packs. What? So these paper packs are double-sided, and there's 2 of each pattern in there. So this one is the Great Outdoors. And so it has lots of kind of like more masculine colors, a lot of really good geometric patterns in there. Navies, browns, greens. Love that. So that is super cute. Then they have the bee's knees, which I love because it's all like teals and navies and yellows, a lot of neutrals. This one's really fun where the hexagons kind of fade. So just, I love them. They're a good quality paper. This I can totally see coloring to match whatever it is that I needed to match, or just leaving it black and white. The watercolor ones are very, very pretty. I'm not like you, for me, pattern paper, I shouldn't say I didn't use it a lot, because I found it very difficult to use bigger, styles on my cards because cards are smaller, but these are sized to be used for cards or scrapbooking. This one is another one I will color. Oh yeah, gonna get me some color on that. So these patterns are, sized a little bit on the smaller side, so I would feel comfortable incorporating that into my card making. And then this one is hands down my favorite. This is the rainbow one, and I love just how it's got like everything that you would need. It's got, stripes and polka dots, and there are some rainbow pages in here. This one right here, I totally makes my heart go pitter patter. I love the way that looks. And then with these pattern paper packs, we also are releasing enamel dots that match as well. So they go by the same names as the paper packs do. So then there's a black and white one as well. So just just a neutral color palette. So these all kind of match the paper, so that you don't even really have to think about it. You just know that they go, and love those. So then the other bit of the accessories is we have some more. This is the Rainbow Deluxe package. And so there's a lot of different things in here. Some of them have little flowers in them. Some of them have little hearts in them. Some of them have like the micro beads. So they're all different mixes, but just in rainbow colors, and make it kind of nice and easy for you to get all of the colors that maybe you would need. Moving on to further accessories, we have some sequin pats and some confetti, some clay items that we're releasing. So this green one is the Spring Fling Mint Julep. There's a couple of different, like the spring kind of colors. That's the outdoor one. This is the Great Outdoors Night Sky, so some navies, some oranges, so just really, really pretty different mixes. And again, some of them have flowers in them, some of them have little, what does the yellow one have? Does the yellow one have flowers? This is the Bee's Knees Lazy Daisy, so this has like hexagons and little stars, flowers. They're just really, really pretty different, to put together. The Cloud Confetti is the small white one here. And then these are the little clay guys. So there's some rainbow pinwheels. There are happy-go-lucky clouds. And these are little clay embellishments. So you would just put them on the same way you would put on sequins or gems or jewels or any of those things. And then there's also clay flowers in the plumeria and what is the other one? Poppy. So yeah, that's it. There's so much. All of these things will be available in the store at midnight tonight. And then just, to recap, because you know how we do, in case you haven't been here, the design team's doing amazing things over on the blog. So check those out for some inspiration. And then if you do decide to make a purchase, $35 will get you a free bee stamp, $75 will get you a free bee stamp and a matching die, and $100 will get you a free bee stamp, the matching die, and then our little bee pin, which you can't buy. It's not available for sale. So thank you guys so much for joining me all this week. It has been a ton of fun to do this and kind of go over some products with you, and I really appreciate y'all showing up. So head over to the blog or to the store and check them out. They're available. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.